Welcome back to It Pays to Save. Smart, simple, successful strategies for finding financial freedom. Paycheck to paycheck, drowning in debt, retiring rich, and making $1 million are the 4 steps. And we're currently in step 1, and we're going to learn to earn. It only makes sense that if you need more money, then you have to find ways to save more money or ways to earn more money. We've already gone over ways to save more money, so let's look at ways you can earn more money. There are 2 areas to cover here. We will start with ways to earn more money at your current job. Then we'll discuss ways to earn extra income from a part-time job, hobby, talent, or skill, or another job altogether. It's very important to remember to not take your eyes off the goal. The goal here is to live within your means and get out of debt. Don't make the mistake of spending even more money on a money-making idea that will end up costing you. The following examples may require you to invest in materials or supplies, but keep your eyes on the goal, making a profit. Spend as little as possible and make as much as possible. We'll go over a few ideas to make extra income without spending a lot of money. Some of the ideas require skills, some just require hard work, but they should all bring in a few extra dollars a month. But let's start by looking at ways to earn more money at your current job. Then we'll continue on with other ways you can learn to earn more. You can ask for a raise. Don't be afraid to ask. Compare what your position pays at different companies and see what's going on in the market. And if you're given an annual raise, dedicate that money to paying down the debt. Ask for bonuses. You may receive bonuses. You may receive them quarterly or maybe just one around the holidays. But don't blow it. Use it to pay down your debt. You may be able to get a better position at your current company with more education. Going back to school is a good way to increase your salary. You gain more knowledge and you make yourself more marketable. In many cases, your employer will pay for some or even all of your tuition. You can't lose because the more education you have, the more valuable you are to your employer and other employers. You can get a second job. Chances are a lot of you already have a second job, but if you don't, it's a good way to earn extra money to get out of debt. Remember, it only has to be temporary. The minute you're out of debt, you can have the pleasure of quitting. And then you can get a new job altogether. It's always a good idea to know what's going on in your field. Changing jobs can be difficult, but it can also open many other doors. Don't forget one of the most important things to consider is a company's 401k plan. 401k plans and the amount of the employer's contribution sometimes is more important than the salary. But we'll talk about 401k plans a little later. Let's talk about making money outside your current employment. Having a yard sale is a great idea to raise cash. It also helps you clean out the house at the same time. Get the whole family involved. Tell the kids the more money they make, the bigger their summer vacation will be. Although you really should use the money to pay down your debt. Maybe by selling just a few big items would be all you need to pay down your debt. You probably have a few big items in your basement or garage that can bring in a few $100s. The treadmill, maybe an old car, lawnmower, TV, exercise equipment. Just 1 or 2 big pieces can make a big difference. You could become a helper or an assistant for a wedding planner, a caterer, any type of weekend functions that won't interfere with your weekday job. And you may even be able to profit from your hobby. Sell your arts and crafts at a craft show or flea market. Post ads on community bulletin boards and community websites. You never know what can come from it. And use your skills to make extra money. Calligraphy, sewing, photography. You can actually make money doing what you love. And it may end up even being a full-time career down the road. I don't think there's a greater pleasure in the world than making money doing something you love to do. It doesn't even seem like work if you're lucky enough to combine what you love with a suitable income. Follow your dreams and don't let your talent or skills go to waste. Not only can it make you money, but getting paid for what you love to do can also make you very happy. Here are a few more ways to increase your income without a lot of startup costs. Watching people's houses and watering their plants while they're away on vacation or business is an excellent and very easy way to earn extra income. If they have pets, that means you make more money. You can advertise on local community websites or even pass out flyers. Babysitting doesn't have to just be for teenagers. Whether it's at night or during the day, childcare can be very expensive, and it's a good way for you to offer an alternative and to earn extra cash at the same time. If you're good with tools, then consider doing some handiwork when you're not working. Why not make a few extra bucks on the side? And you can become a tutor. If you're a computer whiz, then why not help others who are not and make some extra money? There are many older people out there very interested in computing but missed out on that education. You could also tutor second languages or just about anything. There's nothing pretty about this job except for the paycheck, but by cleaning and organizing and hauling other people's trash could be profitable. If you love to shop and you have a talent for fashion, then you may want to become a personal shopper. You can charge by the hour or by the percentage of the purchase. If you don't have an eye for fashion, you can always shop for people's groceries. You can become a personal chef, offer your services to busy couples who would like to take a break one night a week, or consider catering small parties or weddings. Every homeowner has a lawn and they need it cut every week. Some of the big lawn care companies charge a fortune for their services. Use your own mower or make a deal to use the homeowner's mower and gas. It's a lot of hard work, but you may be able to make enough to get out of debt in one summer and get some exercise too. There's always somebody looking to have a website made. With the numerous templates and themes out there, it only takes a couple of clicks and a few hours to get a website up and running. Scout your local businesses to see if they have a site, and if not, work up a quick demo from a $10 template and present it to them. Do your homework and show how websites and social media can attract customers. Look for local businesses in the listings at the Chamber of Commerce, or even start your own business directory and sell ads or listings. The potential is endless on the web. If you're good with numbers, then why not help small businesses with their bookkeeping? You can do it out of your home. Word processing can make you money from home too. Charge by the page. The faster you are, the more you can make. Advertise at local colleges or call small businesses that don't have secretaries. Whatever route you take to bring more money into the equation, make sure that it doesn't cost you in the long run. The goal here is to increase your monthly income, not deplete it in hopes for future gains. The only instance where this works is with higher education. A school loan or the cost of classes will almost always guarantee a higher income level after graduation. There's a big difference in pay between a high school diploma and a college degree. It's truly the best way to literally learn to earn. And we put together over 50 additional ways to earn more money. So please check that out. Okay, coming up next, the 10% plan, step number 14. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to visit at PaysToSave.com, where you can find the workbooks and ebooks that go along with the program, very helpful customizable spreadsheets, newly released and updated content, exclusive content, limited time offers, and even some freebies. Again, that's at PaysToSave.com, where you can find everything that goes along with this program in one place.